Alrighty guys, in today's video with FabriCAM, we're going to be looking at how to actually upgrade the program. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back to the tutorial here. Now, in the previous video, we looked at how to actually locate the update, or should I say upgrade, that you've purchased. Now we're going to be looking at how to actually install it. Now, by default, like I mentioned before, it should be under your downloads folder. And as you can see, we've got the version number and then all functions. In your case, it might say Pro or something else behind this. Now, I've just simply moved mine to another folder, but you can do it straight from the downloads folder. It should be fine. So what you've done after you've downloaded it, just confirm that it is there. So the download actually, or the upgrade works. Then what you want to do is open your program. So in my case, I've opened mine already. Then what I want to do is you want to go to the main menu on top here. Sorry, fix my zoom here. Then we want to go to configuration, click this. And then from this option, we're going to have to open a little, I almost want to call it a hidden menu because it's so small. But next to all our top tabs here, right on the right, this is a little square. I'm just going to zoom in here so you guys can see it better. Once again, my software training, my zooming feature is a bit buggy at the moment. But in any case, so we've got this little square here, cube. So what you want to do is you want to double click this. So if you click once on it, I say double click it, and then it'll open up this update key. So now what you want to do with this, it's got a little path, and you can just click these three little buttons icon here on the right, and then it should open up our file browser preview. So now you want to navigate to where the actual update is, and then make sure that it is a .cut file. If you downloaded the zip file from the actual updates or upgrades, then just make sure you extract it first, unzip it, and then it's a .cut file. And if it is a .cut file, maybe your file extensions is not on your Windows view, then if you're at the right location and it is .cut, it should see it here. And then what you want to do is select this file, and then we simply click open. Now, after we've clicked OK here, we can see here the dongle updated successfully. So now it means your program is up to the latest or upgraded to that whichever package you bought, and you should be able to, after you've started the program again, be able to use all those features. So I'm just going to say apply. It might be already active, but I like to rather exit it and restart it up. But yeah, otherwise that is it on actually upgrading the program. So just a quick recap again, you want to make sure your file is downloaded, and then also if it is zipped, make sure you unzip it. Then in your program, you want to navigate to your actual file through the configure menu, the little cube, and then go locate your upgrade, install it, and then you should be fine from there. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.